Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It is Dizzy Slay MUA. Today I'm showing you guys how I do this halo look. This isn't like the regular cut crease halo that I've done. See, there's no cut in the crease. I feel like it was super simple and I was just really scared. I think I overhyped it. Like, I thought it was gonna be like this crazy thing and it ends up being super duper easy. So follow along with me. As you know, one eye is already gonna be done and we're going to walk along this one. This will be a voiceover. Sorry, I just didn't really feel like talking, but I wanted to record. So bear with me, okay? Thanks. All right, guys, so these are the two palettes we're using. The Sweet Pinks and the Berries by Juvia'S. I'm starting off with the berries, and I'm going to use that cranberry shade at the top. And now I'm going to place it on the outer part of my eye. Come on, place it there. What are you doing? What are you waiting for? Oh, there we go. So as you see, I'm just packing that color on right there. I'm not doing any blending. I'm just placing the color. I'm just going to keep applying it over and over until it gets to like the darkness that I want. And then after I'm done the outside, I'm going to move on to the inner part of my eye and do the same thing. Now. And so you see, I'm just packing it on until it gets to that cranberry shade. I want it to be the same way it is in the palette. I want it to look on my eye. So I'm just gonna keep applying it on top. Almost like a quarter of a circle, kind of. And now into the Sweet Pinks. Oh, I cannot wait to dip into this hot pink color. I am going to take a blending brush and I'm gonna buff out that cranberry shade with this hot pink shade. As you see, I'm doing circular movements, back and forth swiping, just on the outer parts of the cranberry shade. Like all around it. I'm even gonna do like on the inner part too. So I make sure that's all blended out on the outside. And the color's so pretty. And now I'm gonna do the same thing you see on the inner part of the cranberry shade. This is gonna help really bring this halo or spotlight look together. Alright, back into our berries palette. I'm going in with the deepest shade in there. It's kind of eggplantish. Would you say? Do I think it's eggplanty? It is a little to me. And I'm going to apply this in the middle of where we placed our color. On both ends. You see it's like right there in the center. Not too high up. And this is just a smaller blending brush. Because I want it to kind of look like this color is smoked out. So to go from the eggplant to the cranberry to the hot pink. You feel me? And we're just taking it up a little bit. I love the way these colors blend out together. See, and now the same thing on the inner part. Alright, you guys remember, with blending we go back and forth, okay? We apply color, put some other color, go back and put another color that was lost. So that's what I'm doing right now with the cranberry shade. I'm just buffing out the eggplant shade to put our cranberry shade back in its place since we lost some of it, okay? Because we want to see this color. And I'm going around. I'm buffing out the whole edge of our eggplant color. So I want to make sure we go around the whole thing. You see, I'm making sure I get right there in the middle too. All right, now in our Sweet Pinks palette, I'm taking this soft pink shade at the bottom, and this is what I'm going to use to blend out our hot pink that we did at the top. See? Blend that out right under our brow. Okay, you want it nice and soft, same in the front. You want it soft up there. What am I doing? Look back at the camera. And taking our hot pink again. And we are going to reapply that because we lost some. And I want this to be a hot pink, deep burgundy, ready for fall, but I still love summer type look. And I'm taking it on the outside where it was and bringing it towards the middle as well. You see, now I'm basically like swiping right in the middle. I want to see, like, I don't want it to be pink in the middle, but I want this to be a seamless blend when we add our shimmers. See, I had to slow-mo this. This is the shimmer that we're using at the top. It is so pretty. So I'm taking a small brush and I'm placing it right in the center of our spotlight, halo, whatever you want it to be. It's really cute. And look at how it's just like woke up this eye. And this is why I wanted us to bring the pinks, the lighter pinks, towards the center too, because it blends better. Like if it would have just been the dark and the light, y'all know that bothers me. Oh my goodness, that bothers me. And here I'm just taking excess from a pink that was whatever was on the brush. See, I'm just taking a little bit of that and I'm just blending it in with our shimmers. Look at it coming together. Okay. Pose, pose. Do a little dance. Okay. This is a shimmer by me, Dizzy SlayHouse. This is in the shade Princess. It is a pink shimmer. It's very reflective. This is going to be perfect before we lay down our glitter. Like, it's already giving us mad shine. Like, I could have left the look like this and it would have still did what I wanted it to do. But I'm extra, so I'm definitely putting a glitter on top. But do you see how that shimmer already woke it up? Period, boo. Ooh, shimmer and shine. And this glitter is also by me. This one is called SlayHouse. It's very pretty. It's like pink and iridescent, and it's going to go perfect on top of our shimmer and in the center of our spotlight. So applying, I'm taking my glue. You know, I like to do just dots. I don't do swipes or any of that. I just do a couple dots on the eyelid, and then that's how I apply it. Time for glitter. Ooh, ooh. See, and I'm just keeping it in the center. I'm not doing too much. It's just whatever lands on the glue that's there is what's there. I'm not doing nothing extra, okay? Alright, now for the bottom of our eye, I'm taking the Kiss Luxury Liner in the shade Intensifying Brown, and I am lining the bottom of my eye, my lower lash line. It can be kind of thick. You guys know I like to buff out the bottom. Now I'm going to take a small brush and I'm going to blend out our eyeliner, just like to buff it out. in that same brush. What am I doing? What am I? Okay. I'm going back into the Berries palette and using our cranberry shade while I sing, apparently. With that same brush, I am going to go over top of this brown liner. So this is giving us a nice deep berry color, but you're still going to see this cranberry. Ayo, what song do y'all think is a one? Whatever it is ratchet. That's all I know. Ew, I'm so glad I don't have the sound on. All right, and now our hot pink. We're going in with a little bit more of a fluffier brush, and over top of our cranberry, we're putting this hot pink. So the same colors we have at the top, we have at the bottom, you feel me? And since I did the glitter in the middle at the top, I was like, what the hey? Let's add it at the bottom. So I'm just going into the shimmer a little bit, and I'm placing that in the center of my lower lash line. Just like that. I didn't want to put my shimmer down there, the loose pigment, because what's the point? I'm just adding a little bit of glitter. I don't need to add too much down there. And this shimmer did enough for me at the bottom. You know, and my couple dots of glue. And just popping some glitter down there. I get so scared putting glitter at the bottom because I just always feel like it's gonna get in my eye. Like, I think I've gotten glitter in my eye twice. And each time I said I was never using glitter again, but here we are. And see, look, now like our top spotlight goes down into the bottom. It's probably not centered, but don't judge me, okay? And that's basically it for our eye. Now, I'm just gonna look at myself a little bit, you know, fluff the hair and whatnot, adjust the camera, give y'all this face. You know, I've been using some Fenty Skin, okay? I'm feeling myself a little bit, just a little bit, yeah. Alright guys, that's it for our tutorial. Everything came together. Do you like it? Was it super easy? Like, we really only needed those two palettes, went back and forth. I even used the Berries palette for my blush. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. I'm sorry, I'm caught up by the highlight, okay? The rest of this face was a Juvia'S face. A Juvia'S Place face. So I used the I Am Magic foundation. If you are new to my channel, it's the first time you've seen me use it, I am in the shade Kenya. Ooh. For concealer, I use the I Am Magic concealer in J8, 9, and 11. Chill on me. And I use the Katsina shade stick. Okay, Contourisha. And then for a bronzer, I actually use the Warrior 2 palette. Let me show you this. I just really love it to set my my contour. In this palette, this shade right here, Kufuru. Why did I wrote an R? Kufuru. It works perfectly. It works so perfectly to give me that nice, like, it softens up my contour and it sets it. So I'm here for it, okay? And my highlighter is also Juvia'S Place. It is the Royalty 2. Okay. Lips, I use the Juvia'S lip products. So for liner, I use the Luxe liner in Scorpio. I use the Toffee Lipstick, which is a brown. And I topped it with the Kiss Me. So it gave me like this perfect nude color, the brown and the pink together. So it was just like a day for Juvia'S. Like, someday I just feel like using certain products, and a lot of times, as you see from my channel, it ends up being Juvia'S. But did y'all like it? If y'all like this video, please give me a thumbs up on it. Gang. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to share this video, if it's helpful to you and you want to share with other people, get some friends together and y'all follow along this tutorial. Yes, like have like a little Zoom party and you and your friends all follow along. I like it. Remember that I told you guys to do that, okay? So thank you for watching this channel. No, is that what I say? Is that what I say? Thank you for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It has been Dizzy Slay MUA, and I will see you guys next time, okay? Bye.